Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today's topic is simple present tense. Yes students, I have taught you how do we use simple present tense, how can we make sentences in simple present tense yesterday, है ना? And I have taught you the rules of simple present tense, है ना? And I have taught you, है ना? I have taught you what are tenses. So students, you all know what are tenses. Tenses are related to verb and time. They tell us when an action happens. कोई भी काम कब हुआ. Okay, so in simple present tense, this is the first type of present tense. You all know about that. There are three type of tenses, है ना? Present, past and future. And in present, this is the first type of tense, simple present tense. In simple present tense, we do not use is, am, are. Okay, and we use simple present tense when we talk about habits, when we talk about universal truth, when we talk about truth. Okay, unchanging truth. Okay, so here is a worksheet for you of simple present tense on the board. So today we will do practice of simple present tense. So students, first of all we will read our worksheet, that what we have to do in the worksheet. Okay, fill in the blanks. These are fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs in simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Okay, I have given you verbs here to fill the blanks. Okay, to fill the blank. So, have, like, work, eat, need, live, leave, learn, eat, count. Okay, these are the verbs, okay, to fill the blank. So first of all, we will learn the rules again. Okay, how? Yes students, when we have singular subject, he, she, it, and any singular subject like Ria, any name of a person, okay, name of any person, any singular noun like a child, a monkey, okay. Then we use verb with s or es form, like eat. Then we will make it eats. Okay, he eats, she eats, it eats, Ria eats, a child eats. And when we have plural subject like I, we, you, they, or any plural noun like children, the children, the name of any person like Mohit or Deepam, Divij, we can use any name. Okay, Divij. Okay, then we will use first form of verb but without s. Without s, we won't use s at the end of the verb. Like this is eats, so we will write only eat. Only eat. I eat, we eat, you eat, they eat, the children eat, and Divij eat. Divij is singular, so Divij and I. Okay, Divij and I eat. So students, so start to fill the blanks. First of all, read the first sentence. I always dash my friends. I always dash my friends. So here is a verb that is help. I always dash my friend. So students, find out that what we have to fill with I. Okay, because I is a singular, but we use it for third person. Okay, so I always my friends I always dash my friends help. Yes. Find out from the table. I, we, you, they, the children, division I. Okay. So I means it is a plural subject and we use verb without s. So we will fill the verb without s as it is. Have. Clear to all? S add नहीं करेंगे. We will not add s at the end of the verb because it is a plural subject. Okay. I always help my friends. Then we will read the next one. She dash tea but not coffee. She dash tea but not coffee. Yes. Like or likes. Find out from the table. He, she, it, Riya, Chai. Yes. What is the subject here? She. And we have used as form with verb. So we will add s with like at the end of like. Likes. She likes tea but not coffee. Clear to all? Next one, he and she. Okay. He. So we will add s at the end of verb. He works very hard for his examination. So we will fill works, not work. Okay, works. W-O-R-K-S. Always remember this. If we have a singular subject, then we use verb with s or es form. If we have plural subject, then we use first form of verb without s or es. S or es के बिना तब यूज करना है जब हमारे पास plural subject है. And if we have singular subject, then we use verb with s or es form. Okay. Then you dash very little. You dash very little. It's not good for you. Eat. You eat very little. Yes, you. Yes, eat because this is the plural one. So you eat very little. It's not good for you. Okay. The next one, they. Find out the subject. They. They is the plural one. Check it out. They. So we will put plural. We will put plural verb, and we will not add s or es at the end of that verb. Need. Only need. Why? Because the subject is plural. Okay. Then we dash the railway station. We dash the railway station. Live. रहते हैं. We dash the railway station. So find out the subject. Yes, we. Okay. We is the plural one. That's why we will put the verb as it is. We live the railway station. We live near the railway station. Okay. We live near the railway station. Clear to all students? Now we will do the next one. She dash office at 5 p.m. She dash office at 5 p.m. Leave or leaves. Because this subject is the singular, that's why we use singular verb. And what will be the singular verb? When we will add s at the end of this verb. Okay, then it will become singular verb. Leaves. She leaves. She leaves office at 5 p.m. Okay, the next one. My brother and I dash piano together. My brother and I dash piano together. Learn. My brother and I learn piano together. So students, first of all we have to find out that the subject is singular or plural. Okay, yes, my brother and I. My brother and I means my brother is one person, I is the second person. Okay, I is the second person and my brother is first person. So there are two persons, we are talking about two person here. So this is the plural number. Okay, this is the plural subject, that's why we put learn as it is, because this is the rule of simple present tense. When we have a plural subject, then we use verb without s or es form. Okay, my brother and I learn piano together. Then the next one is rhinos dash primarily plants. Rhinos primarily plants. Eat. The verb has given here eat. Okay, verb is given here eat. So eat is the plural because यहाँ पे s नहीं है after e. So first of all we have to find out the subject. Okay, rhinos is plural one, so we will use as it is. The last one is J dash the coins in her piggy bank every week. Okay, J dash the coins in her piggy bank every week. Count. So J is the singular subject because this is only one person. Okay, this is only one, है ना? So that's why we will use this verb in the singular. Okay, in the singular form. And what is the singular form? When we will add s at the end of count, then it will become the singular verb. So we will add s with the count. Okay, counts, and we will fill counts. J counts the coins. J counts the coins in her piggy bank every week. Okay, students. So your worksheet of simple present tense has been completed now, and you have to do this worksheet in your notebook, and we will do some more practice again in the next class. Okay, students. Bye bye.